to build stable molecules, and this is an example of what's in your kit, your molecule kit. On the left side, you can see the atoms that you have. You have some argon atoms, some nitrogen atoms, and some oxygen atoms. And on the right side of your kit, you have several rods that you can use to connect those atoms to make stable molecules. You can just make sure first that you are not in presentation mode. You should be able to see all the slides along the left side of your screen, which means you're allowed to drag things around your screen. So you can click and drag atoms out into the main part of the screen. And I'm dragging some nitrogen, and now I'm dragging some oxygen atoms. I'm going to see if I can connect them together to make a stable molecule. I just kind of have to test out different kinds of rods. I can connect this hole and that nitrogen atom, this hole. Need to move this little nitrogen atom a tiny bit closer. But I still have some open holes. I think I'm going to try to connect this hole to this hole on the oxygen atom. So I am going to move this rod and then move the oxygen atom over. I am then going to try to connect these rods. I need to move the atom down a little bit so that it matches up with the holes a little better. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. You shouldn't have to resize any of the rods. They should go right into place or be pretty close. And I now have created a stable molecule, and I would write the molecular formula up top here, N2O2. And the trick to making these too small is you can highlight them and press Control, comma, highlight and press Control, comma, then I'm done. I would move on to my next molecule on the next slide. You should be completing a total of 5 molecules.